Governor DeSantis this afternoon provided an update on vaccine distribution here in Florida, saying he fully anticipates the FDA approval of the COVID vaccine today, and that will then unlock the ability for the state to start receiving shipments of the vaccine within 24 to 48 hours.
This will allow comprehensive care to be provided in the community and hopefully decrease Baker Acts, emergency room visits, and jail utilization.
The governor also announced today the state will be allocating $23 million to support our state mental health services. That's what he was just talking about there. The money is coming from the Federal CARES Act. He noted the impact from the pandemic on mental health have been significant. He's also hopeful these funds will help Floridians recover from COVID-19. The goal is to enhance the system of care for children and adults. About $18 million of those funds will go to community-based services.